All right, thank you everybody. Welcome to the Golf Nut Show. Tonight we are doing the random for customer appreciation box break number 2. First, I will go over the list of the winners. And we had Subterfuge, All for Kinds, Downtown, DJ and All His Mummy, Subterfuge, Blue Nose, NJ Devilsman, Skeet 93, then Devilish Demon had 4 spots. T-Voth 88, Downtown, DJ and All His Mummy, Downtown, Bruins 37, Socrataz, Al Donko, DJ and All His Mummy, T-Voth, DJ and All His Mummy for 2, Coalicious, J-Rob, SMG NAS, 46 Blitz, DJ and All His Mummy, Coalicious, and Bovado to finish it off. Now we get clearness. Alright, so now I am going to randomize the team list 3 times and then the winners, the list that I just went through 3 times. So we will come over here and we will go to here, and I'm going to do this quickly so that I can see myself. Alright, so as you can see, I've got all the teams listed, and I will show you all the way down to the bottom, all the way down to Winnipeg. Alright, we will randomize this 3 times, and then I'll randomize the list winners, and those will be the draws. Then you'll have plenty of time to do trades because we gotta wait for the box to show up. Alright, first one. We've got Detroit on top with Tampa Bay on the bottom. Second time, we've got St. Louis on top with Washington on the bottom. And the third time, we got number 1, San Jose, number 2, Columbus, number 3, Edmonton, number 4, Carolina, number 5, Philadelphia, 6, New York Islanders, 7, Los Angeles, 8, Montreal, 9, Calgary, 10, Buffalo, 11, Pittsburgh, 12, Washington, 13, Florida, 14, Dallas, 15, Boston, 16, Phoenix, 17, Anaheim, 18, Minnesota, 19, New Jersey, 20, Winnipeg, 21, New York Islanders, 22, Nashville, 23, Detroit, 24, Ottawa, 25, Toronto, 26, Vancouver, 27, Colorado, 28, St. Louis, 29, Chicago, and 30 is Tampa Bay. Now, for the list of the winners, I just want to double check. So you can see 1 through 20 there, and then I will scroll down to Coalicious and Bovado, who just won the last 2 spots. We will randomize that once. We've got Downtown on top with Subterfuge on the bottom. Randomize it twice. We got J-Rob on top and NJ Devilsman on the bottom. And the third time, we've got number 1, DJ and All His Mummy, number 2, Socrataz, number 3, Subterfuge, number 4, Devilish Demon, number 5 and 6 are Coalicious, number 7 is Devilish Demon, number 8 is J-Rob, number 9 is NJ Devilsman, number 10 is Skeet 93, number 11 is DJ and All His Mummy, number 12 is T-Voth 88, 13 is El Donko, 14 is Aaron, 15 is Downtown, 16 is Subterfuge, 17 and 18 are Downtown, 19 is Blue Nose, 20 is Aaron, 21 is Devilish Demon, so is number 22. SMG NAS got spot number 23. Aaron got 24. T-Voth got 28. Chuck got 26. Brian got 27. Aaron got 28. Brew wins 37, gets 29. And last but not least, Bovado gets spot number 30. I will post this listing up on the thread that is in the box break section, and you guys will have until about an hour before the break to do trades. I will try and give you guys ample notice of when the break is going to happen. Thank you very much for joining, and we will check you on the flip side.